Hello everyone, welcome to Learn with Shyamal. In this class, we are going to discuss about the major physiographic regions of India. Okay, its classification as well as characteristics and exam-oriented comparative notes. Okay, if you are new in my classes, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Let's start the class. Okay, first of all, introduction and basis of classification. Okay, why India's relief is divided into distinct macro regions. Okay, Indian subcontinent is divided into 6 broad physiographic divisions. Okay, the number 1, the Himalayan mountains, northern plains, Peninsular Plateau, Indian Thar Desert and coastal plains, and lastly the islands. Okay, India displays an extraordinary diversity of relief from the world's youngest full mountains to ancient stable sill plateaus. Physiographic division is based on geological structure and rock formation, geomorphic processes, origin, relief and altitude, and slope drainage characteristics. Pioneering classification given by R.L. Singh and S.P. Chatterjee, widely followed in NCERT and NET syllabus. Key keyword, NET keyword, physiography, that means study of landform genesis plus structure plus relief, not merely topography, which is purely descriptive of surface features. Okay, then symmetric north-south cross-section from northern to southern portion, conceptual transient across India's relief belt, extreme north Himalayas, young full mountains, then northern plains, alluvial flat, then towards the south Peninsular Plateau, ancient and rigid, further south coastal plains and narrow steep, and extreme south islands like Andaman and Nicobar and Lakshadweep. Okay. First of all, the Himalayan mountains, world's youngest and highest full mountain system. Key characteristics of Himalayan mountains. These are formed by collision of Indian and Eurasian plateaus. Okay, that is geosyncline and convergent boundary orogeny. Okay, Indian plateau and Eurasian plateau. Okay, this is an collision between two different Indian and Eurasian plates and rise of Himalayan mountain. Convergent boundary. Arc-shaped stretches 2,400 km from Indus to Brahmaputra, Pamir to Namsa Borua in Arunachal Pradesh. Width varies 400 km in Kashmir to 150 km towards the Arunachal Pradesh. Characterized by longitudinal valleys called dunes. Example, Dehradun. Trans-Himalaya, Karakoram, Jaskar, Ladakh, Kailash Range, cold desert, K2 here. And Greater Himalaya, Himadri, highest continuous Everest 6,000 meter, Everest Kanchenjunga, core of granite. Lesser Himalaya, Himachal, 1,800 to 3,000 meter wide, Pir Panjal, Dhauladhar, Mahabharat hill stations. And Siwalik, Outer Himalaya, 900 to 1,100 meter height. These are youngest mountain, unconsolidated sediments, and dunes lie here. Okay, like Dehraduns. Then Himalayas regional and longitudinal divisions. East-west sector used frequently in NET questions. Punjab Himalaya include Indus, Sutlej 560 km, Kashmir and Himachal Himalaya. Then Kumaon Himalaya, Sutlej Kali 320 km, includes Garhwal Himalayan range. Nepal Himalaya, Kali Tista 800 km, highest peaks Everest Kanchenjunga are available here, situated here. And Assam Himalaya or Northeast Himalaya, Tista Brahmaputra 750 km length of the Brahmaputra, and sharp southward bend syntaxial. Okay, so there are some NET exam focus points also. Syntaxial bends, that means Pamir North, Northwest, and Namsa Borua Assam in Southeast, frequently asked in NET exam questions, NET examination. And important passes, Zojila, Bonihal Pass, Sipikala Pass, Nathula Pass, and Bomdila Pass. Okay, we will discuss in our future classes, next classes, about the important passes and its connecting lands or places. Then Karewas, Lagastan, deposits of Kashmir Valley, saffron cultivation, important lesser Himalayan fissure. Secondly, the northern plains, alluvial plains built by the Lindas Ganga and Brahmaputra system, formation and extent, formed by aggregation of sediments in a 4-deep Himalayan foreland trough between the Himalaya and the peninsular block, extends 3,200 km east to west, wide 150 to 300 km among the largest alluvial tracts globally, extremely flat, fertile, very gentle slope, more or less 15 cm per kilometer in middle Ganga plain, slope angle. North-south subdivision, Bhabar, that means pebbly belt at Sibalek foot, Puras, streams disappear underground. Then Terai, wet marshy forested belt south of Bhabar. Bhangar, older alluvium, terrace like Has, Kankar, and calcareous deposits. Then Khadar, newer, younger floodplain alluvium. Then newly annual. East-west regional division, Punjab plain, Indus and 5 tributaries like Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Byas, Toothless, 5 rivers of Punjab, important for NET examination. Dwarfs between rivers, Ganga plain, largest Ganga and tributaries, UP and Bihar, founded in UP and Bihar mainly. Further split into upper, middle and lower Ganga. Then Brahmaputra, Assam plain, narrow flanked by hills, braided channel and river and island, example Majuli, largest river island of the world, habitable river island of the world. Then Ruhi and Bet, river and tracks in Punjab plain, dwarf etymology often tested. Then thirdly, the Peninsular Plateau, ancient stable silt, oldest landmass of India. It was composed of Precambrian, Archean, Genesis and schist, geologically the most stable, rigid tableland, a relic of Gondwanan land. Broadly triangular, bounded by Aravallis northwest, Rajmahal Hills is northeast, Mahadev Michael in north and Cardamom Hills in south. Undulated surface from denudation, relict hills, Aravalli oldest full mountains, and extensive Deccan trap, basaltic lava, black soil. Two broad divisions in central highlands north of Narmada, Malwa Plateau, Vidyan Range, Bundelkhand and Baghelkhand. Deccan Plateau south of Narmada, triangular shape, and western and eastern Ghats as flanks, tilted towards the high in west and low in east. Okay, tilted towards the east. Key sub-regions to remember: Western Ghats, Sahadari, continuous, more than 1,500 meter elevation, source of Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri. Eastern Ghats, discontinuous, eroded, lower broken by rivers into hill ranges. Satanagpur Plateau, mineral rich like coal and iron in Jharkhand. Nagaland Plateau, Garuk-Khasi and Jaintia Hills, detached by Malda Gap, Rajmahal Fault. Deccan Trap, volcanic basalt sheet, Cretaceous Eocene, regular and black soil. Western margin, Aravalli, oldest fall mountains, highly denuded, Guru Shikhar, highest peak. Okay, the Indian Thar Desert, arid tract west of the Aravallis. Characteristics: it lies west-northwest of Aravalli Range. Rainfall less than 150 mm per year, rain shadow and continental aridity. Undulated sandy terrain with longitudinal dunes, safe and crescentan Barkhan dunes. Streams mostly disappear in sand. Luni is the only large river. And salt lakes, Dhans, example Sambar, source of common salt. Okay, locally called Marasthali. Two divisions: northern plains, sandy plain and Bikaner, and southern Marasthali, rocky and oldest core. Indira Gandhi's canal, major irrigation and transport, northwest edge. Sand dune types: Barkhan, safe, parabolic, transverse, commonly asked diagrams in NET examination. Okay, then 5, the coastal plains, narrow alluvial cum deltic steeps flanking the peninsula. Western coastal plain, narrow and submerged coast, formation by faulting and submergence. Divisions: Kutch and Kathiawar, Konkan, Mumbai and Goa, Karnataka coast, Kannada, Malabar coast, Kerala. Kerala coast has lagoons called Kayals, example Bhembandand and backwaters. Estuaries dominate Narmada and Tapi, no major deltas. Eastern coastal plain, border Amazon coast, divisions: Uttalkal plain, Orissa, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Coromandel coast. Major deltas formed by Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri. Garden of the South, Kaveri Delta. Silika Lake, largest brackish water lagoon in India, Orissa. Okay, then lastly the islands, 2 island groups of coast contesting origin: Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Bay of Bengal, and Lakshadweep Islands in Arabian Sea. Okay, Andaman and Nicobar Island, tectonic origin, submerged extension of Arakan Yama, Myanmar, Fold Mountains. 572 islands, volcanic activity, Barren Island, only active volcano in India, separated by the 10-degree channel, Little Andaman from Car Nicobar. Greater biodiversity, evergreen forest, indigenous tribes, like Jawara and Sentinelese. In Lakshadweep Islands, coral origin formed from coral reef atolls on a submarine ridge. Smallest urban territory of India, 36 islands, only 10 inhabited. Kabarati is the capital. Pitti Island is a bird sanctuary, uninhabited, separated from mainland by the 9-degree channel, from Maldives by the 8-degree channel. Okay, this is a comparative summary table between the all 6 physiographic division of India: region, origin and age, rock type and distinct feature. Himalayas, origin and age, tertiary and youngest. Rock type, sedimentary and folded, distinct feature. Highest fold mountains, 3 longitudinal ranges. Northern plains, quaternary and youngest depositional. Rock type, alluvium and unconsolidated, distinct feature. Bhabar, Terai, Bhangar and Khadar zonation. Peninsular Plateau, Precambrian and oldest, igneous and metamorphic, Genesis. gneiss and stable silt Deccan trap basalt. Third is that quaternary and geomorphic Sandian Aeolian deposits, Barkhan and Save Dune, Luni River. Coastal plains, recent depositional erosional, alluvium plus marine deposits, western submersed, eastern Amazons, west deltas, islands, Andaman and tectonic, Laccadives, biogenic, sedimentary, coral limestones, only active volcano, barren island. Exam-oriented points match the term Kaura, Akasmi, Bhaba, Siwalik, Foot, Dhan, Rajasthan Salt Lake. Oldest versus youngest, Aravalli, oldest pole mountain, Himalaya, youngest pole mountain, Peninsular, oldest landmass. River origin confusions, Narmada and Tapi flow in rib valley from faults, unlike other peninsular rivers in normal valleys. Okay, Narmada and Tapi is exceptional river. Sequence-based MCQs like north-south sequence of Himalaya range, east-west sequence of northern plain sections like this. Diagram-based, identify dune type, Barkhan and Ship or north-south cross-section from a skate. And static and current mix is recent and net paper link physiography with disaster vulnerability and seismic zones. Okay, that's all for today. If you have any doubt and query, just let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Thank you.